Hi guys, Damon here from Signature Series Group Sponsorship. I hope you're having a great day today. Really excited to give you a sneak peek inside our online template and tutorial on how to create a professional motorsport or power sport sponsorship overview document, okay, or asset overview document, which is the introduction document that you're going to need when you're going to present yourself for the first time to any potential sponsor that you want to talk to, all right? So what we decided to do is take what we do and what we use every day and have had great success with over the past 10 years and bring it and put it into an online template with a tutorial attached to help you so you're able to get a hold of exactly the same, I guess, methodology and understand that we use to help you get more sponsorship conversations. So that's what we're inside here. So we're on the page here. I'm not going to show you through obviously each of the little bits, but obviously our first section runs through what it is that you're going to receive within here, how to use it, and the six different sections that we have with inside of this template and tutorial. Okay, so let's just duck over to one of the six sections here. We might as well go to the first one. We'll click on this one here. I'll probably start talking automatically here, so I have to mute myself. All right. Yep, there I am. All right, so what you're looking at here, okay, and this is just in the first section, but as you can see, what we've done is we've created it inside a fantastic piece of software that we use called Proposify, which is great for managing and creating your own, professional sponsorship overview documents, introduction documents, all sorts of stuff. It's great from a creation standpoint. It's fantastic from a management standpoint. Also gives you all the data and information that you need to see how long people have spent reading it, when they read it. It's a really useful tool. But I'll get back to that. That's something you can choose if you want to use that as well. So the whole presentation is done in that. Okay, and what you'll see here is that we've gone through and I've actually put a presentation in there and then I'm talking to that actual presentation itself. Okay, so what you can do is you can either duplicate and make a copy again if you're using Proposify, or you can just edit, through any what am I trying to say? Of the Apple or the PowerPoint products, any of that type of stuff. You will also have the files to be able to download that there and do your editing that way if you choose. Again, I find that a bit clunky. Can't speak highly enough of this Proposify software. So as you'll see here down the side, I've got it broken into six sections. Okay, and they're just short, 6, 5. One of them's a 2-minute video here, just talking about the importance of certain elements that you need to keep in mind when you're creating, an introduction, a professional sponsorship introduction document to send out to your leads and your prospects. Okay, so it'll take you through each of those sections. Just here on the side where you can see my cursor now, you'll see there's each of those blocks there. That's sort of like each of the stages or each of the sections, if you like, that you should have inside a professional overview document. Look, some you'll move around slightly, but it's a really strong backbone that's going to, give you that what you need to get started and just start to input your information in there and build from there. So I think you'll find that really useful. But again, it's fully editable if there's some things in there that you find that don't pertain to your offer or what it is that you're doing, and you think it's better without, or you think it's better adding something else in there. You can obviously do that. So this is it. It's really cool. I've literally just finished it off last week, and I'm going to put the link to it down below. It's normally what I'm going to do, I think, just to kick it off and get it rolling and have a little bit of a celebration, because I'm pretty excited that we got it going, is I'm actually going to do a special deal on it to get going, I think, and get everybody it's a no-brainer. So I've got it priced at $4.99, but I think for a limited time here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down off this link at the bottom here at $99. So literally, you can pay 20% of what we're going to run it out for here into market very soon. But if you jump on board, and because you're part of obviously my network already, because that's how you've seen this, you're either on any of my social network channels, I want to offer it to you at this ridiculously low price of $99. You can get on board, have a look, and then if some of you decide you want to up spec, and move on from there and talk about some other services, because we also, we're able to sit there and critique this for you after the fact, after you've built it, if you want, or if you want us to create you a professional overview document, we can do all that, and I'll even take the $100 credit off if you want us to create you a professional overview document. I'll take $100 off that price of that, so it ends up costing you nothing. All right, so get on board, have a look. If you're serious about sponsorship, this is the time of year to start thinking about it. If you're here in Australia, which is where I am, it's that time of year where people are starting to look at budgets. I get the new budgets in July, so it's important to have your opportunity in front of people. So enough of me rambling on. Super excited. It's really cool. I think it's come up really well. Really interested to get your feedback. It's just $99 and it gives you the complete template and tutorial on how to create a professional sponsorship overview document. So all the best. Get in contact with me if you need anything, and I look forward to hearing what you think about this new online professional sponsorship overview document template and tutorial. Thank you guys. Take care.